Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called Adding Edible Flowers. Edible flowers have been used in culinary traditions for centuries, adding aesthetic appeal, unique flavors, and nutritional benefits to dishes. Integrating edible flowers into your recipes can transform an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience, making your food not only taste better, but look stunning as well. Here's how you can incorporate these delicate blooms into your cooking, along with a delightful recipe to get you started. Before you start tossing flowers into your dishes, it's crucial to know which flowers are safe to eat. Here are some popular edible flowers and their flavors. Nasturtiums. These brightly colored flowers have a peppery taste, similar to watercress. Pansies. Petals have a tangy, slightly spicy taste. Violas. With a mild pea-like flavor, violas are great for garnishing. Lavender. Known for its sweet floral flavor, lavender is often used in desserts and teas. Rose petals. Depending on the variety, rose petals can range from sweet to slightly spicy. Hibiscus. Tart and cranberry lime. Hibiscus flowers are excellent in teas and cocktails. Always ensure the flowers are grown organically and are free from pesticides. Wash them gently under cold water before use. How to use edible flowers in your cooking. Salads. Sprinkle petals from nasturtiums, pansies or violas over your greens for a pop of colour and a burst of flavour. Garnishes. Use whole flowers or petals to garnish cakes, cocktails, and even savoury dishes like roasted meats and grilled vegetables. Infusions. Steep flowers like lavender, rose, or hibiscus in liquids to infuse their flavour into syrups, creams, or even cocktails. Baked goods. Incorporate petals into batter, or use them to decorate the tops of cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. Ice cubes. Freeze small flowers like violas or pansies into ice cubes to add a decorative touch to drinks. To get you started with edible flowers, here's a simple yet delightful recipe that incorporates the sweet floral notes of lavender. Lavender and lemon shortbread cookies. Ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh lavender flowers or 1 tablespoon of dried, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and extra sugar for sprinkling. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with grease-proof paper. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. mix in the chopped lavender flowers and lemon zest. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Gradually add this to the butter mixture, mixing until just combined. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead briefly. Roll the dough into a log shape about 2 inches in diameter. Wrap in cling film or plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Once chilled, slice the dough into 1/4 inch thick rounds and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Sprinkle the tops with a bit of extra sugar. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are just starting to turn golden. Allow to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. These lavender and lemon shortbread cookies are perfect for a tea party or as an elegant treat to enjoy with friends. The floral notes of lavender combined with the zesty lemon make for a refreshing and delightful cookie that's both unique and delicious. Adding edible flowers to your recipes is a fantastic way to elevate your cooking. With their diverse flavours and stunning appearance, they can transform the simplest of dishes into culinary masterpieces. Start experimenting with the variety of edible flowers available, and soon you'll be adding a touch of floral magic to your favourite recipe. Enjoy the process and the beautiful results. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.